Oh, and I also found a dupe for NYX Pro Foundation Mixer that I can't find anymore. So I'm going to put a link down for you for this. This is the Physicians Formula Foundation Mixer, and it works. I love it. Let's see what this says. Hypoallergenic, paraben-free, gluten-free, dermatology-tested, cruelty-free, oil-free, vegan. It's a color-adjusting drops that transform your foundation into the perfect shade to match your unique skin tone. It's enriched with vitamin C and E, antioxidant blend. The light drops lighten your foundation a shade lighter, while the dark drops darken your foundation a shade darker, staying true to its natural depth. That's the key. Okay, this company sent this to me. It is IMETHOD Beauty. It's a winged eyeliner stamp for perfect wings. So it comes with a right and a left. So here's the eyeliner, and here's the stamp. So let's put on the right stamp. I don't know which way. Let's see. Ah, okay. I'm going to do it real close to the end. Aha. Okay, practice makes perfect here. Okay. Okay. They give you an eyeliner also. So let's see. I'm going to make a very thin line right at the bottom, at the root of the lashes. Well, that was pretty easy. I don't think that was bad at all. Let's see. Let's see how it lasts on my hand. So let me just tell you something about this, the eye stamp. It is waterproof, smudge-proof, and long-lasting for perfect wings. Excellent. Tips. Oh, shake before use. Please store your stamp horizontally. Okay. I didn't do either one. It's just scan this little code, and it'll take you to a Facebook instructional video. And in order to scan, you just open up your smartphone to your camera, and you point your camera at it, and then that takes you to the website. So yeah, I should have shaken them. You see they have the little gold tail? That's the part that has the stamper. And the other side is the ink. Okay. Oh, let's do a little mascara, and then we'll do the eyebrows. I have a trick for the eyebrows from IMETHOD. They sent me a product for the eyebrows. Oh, I want to show you the shower cap. Look at this adorable shower cap. Now, I hate shower caps. And when I was living with a man, I never walked around with a shower cap, okay? My friends thought that was so funny, but I just like it. I think it is the most unattractive is a shower cap. But I just thought this was cute. It's kind of like a turban, and it's nice and roomy and nice and stretchy. And the inside is gray. I think they have a few colors, and it wasn't expensive at all. So I'm going to put the link down below for you. And if you do use any links, I don't know if you know this or not, whoever puts the links down that you use, they make a commission. So I make a little commission on any links that you go through, and that helps me. So thank you. I don't know if you knew. Brows. Okay, here's the eyebrows. Let's beauty together. You get stencils, a pomade, a sponge brush, a dual-ended spoolie, an angled brow brush, and an enclosed zipper pouch for your beauty drawer or handbag. I got the color 05, and it came in this little packet. And let's see. Okay, so it came with a lot of stencils and a pomade, a spoolie brush, and a spongy brush. Now this is perfect. That is just what you need to do the stencils with. So these are the stencils that I'm not going to use because they were a little too wide. So I'm trying to pick the thinnest one. And I absolutely love this formula. Keep this cap sealed so that the waterproof formula doesn't dry out. Okay, here's the color I got. It's not the lightest. There is still a light. I really wanted the blonde, but they were out of the blonde. So I'm going to rub that. I'll show you. But because it's a little darker than I want, that's why I am tapping it off. Now, here is the stencil. And let's try it. I'm going to do the tail first. And then just come up, not all the way. Okay, I think I need a little more product. Not bad. Maybe this is the right color for me. It looks like it. The hardest part is this. This is the hardest part. It looks okay. Just stamp away. Not bad. Not bad. I could use a little more here, but they did give me this little spoolie, but this little brush. It's very thin, it's very firm, and I could probably finish the eyebrow with this. Yes. Okay, let's try it on the other eye. All right, we're not blotting it anymore. Once you figure this out, I think this would be terrific. But once you've got to figure this positioning, that's the hardest part. Not bad. I think I did it a little droopy. I could have angled it a little higher. And you could always do it just with the brush. If you don't like using the stencil and you really like this pomade, which I really do, I would use the pomade with the brush. Look at that. Wow. Wow, this is supposed to last all day. Now, if it's not angled enough, just go on the top a little higher. Not bad. I mean, this is an amazing pomade. I do love the color, and I love that it's waterproof and it's not going anywhere. And you could just clean up. Woo! I think I like it. Right? I mean, it was pretty easy. Gosh, when I was a teenager, I didn't know how to do my brows. They were like sperm. They were like oval, and then I practically got rid of my brows in my 20s. I just never used a brow product. I was always afraid of looking like Groucho Marx or Mommy Dearest. I think that came out pretty good. Well, those wings are not going anywhere, and I don't think this is either. Wow, that's the eyebrow, that's the wing. Wow. Okay, I am really like this. I hope they gave me a discount code. Whew. It's still hot here, and when it's hot here, it's in the 80s or 90s, it's hot because it's humid. But it's not hot all the time, and not the whole day. That's why California is so beautiful. It's like it starts off cool, and then it warms up beautiful for the beach, and then it cools down slowly. It's just, I say, 4 seasons in a day. So this lipstick is a little bit much, but it's Candy Yum Yum from years ago. Should I try on my shower cap? I look like Lucy in the Chocolate Factory. Or I look like a baker. A butcher, a baker. It really keeps the hair out of your face. So that's cute. It's a cute little shower cap. I think it's cute. It's very stretchy, and it's got this cute bow. You could wear it on the side. I think it's cute. My girlfriend used to laugh at me and say, "What, you don't wear a shower cap?" I go, "Never, never. I would put a towel on my head, or no, never wore a shower cap when I was living with anybody, because I just didn't like the way it looked." But you know. Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you to iMethod for sending me the brow product and the wing product. I'm going to put those links down below because those products are amazing. First of all, they're very waterproof, long lasting. Look at this. I can't wait to see how long this is going to last. And you know, I tell you, this is the best brow product with that stencil that I've used. It might be the quality of the pomade, but I think it's one of the best that I've used, and I love it. I'm so happy they sent me both of them. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I'm so happy you're here. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. This is amazing. It is not coming off. Woo! Boop, boop, be doo.